Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving deep into the ATEC 128GB DDR4 ECC LRDIMM, a memory module designed specifically for select DDR4 servers. This isn't your everyday RAM. It's a powerhouse aimed at boosting performance in demanding server environments. First, it's crucial to understand the target audience. This memory is strictly for specific DDR4 servers and will not work in desktop computers, laptops, or PCs. So, if you're building a gaming rig or upgrading your home PC, this isn't the RAM you're looking for. This is a single 128GB module, a substantial upgrade for servers needing a significant memory boost. It operates at speeds up to 2,933 MHz, adhering to the PC4-23400 standard, also known as PC4-2933Y. This speed ensures quick data access and smooth operation under heavy workloads. The ECC load-reduced LRDIMM design is a key feature. It's an 8RX4, 3DS2S4RX4, octal rank X4 module built to the JEDEC DDR4 standard of 1.2V. The ECC, or error-correcting code, is vital for server applications as it detects and corrects memory errors, preventing crashes and data corruption. The load-reduced aspect means it puts less strain on the memory controller, allowing for more modules to be installed without compromising performance. The primary benefit of this ATEC module is improved system performance. By increasing the available RAM, it enhances workload capacity and reduces bottlenecks. Servers can handle more concurrent users, run more virtual machines, and process larger datasets more efficiently. However, it's essential to note a critical compatibility issue. This ECC load-reduced memory cannot be mixed with other ECC types like ECC registered, ECC unbuffered, or non-ECC unbuffered memory. Mixing different types can lead to system instability or failure. Always check your server's documentation to ensure compatibility. Memory compatibility can vary significantly between different server models and their installed components. Pay close attention to memory channel guidelines to maximize performance. ATEC emphasizes the build quality and testing of their memory modules. Each module is designed for superior performance and reliability. They also offer a limited lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind. Their support team is available to assist with any questions or issues. In conclusion, the ATEC 128GB DDR4 ECC LRDIMM is a solid choice for upgrading compatible DDR4 servers. Its high-capacity, error-correcting capabilities and load-reduced design make it well-suited for demanding workloads. Just be sure to double-check compatibility with your specific server model before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.